One of the most frequent questions I get is whether or not our wrap legs will attach to an Ikea Kallax unit. And so I went and bought one, played around with it, and I came up with the best way to attach to these units. And in the process, I decided to go ahead and start making a special modified version of our wrap leg and some of our center support legs just for the Kallax. And so I'm going to show you the difference in the legs, and then I'm going to show you how to install these. So the specific changes we've made is we've changed the height of the wraparound section on the wrap leg to match the thickness of the panels on the Kallax. And what this allows you to do is, whether you're laying this down horizontally as you see here, or whether you're flipping the unit up vertically, where this side panel becomes the bottom panel, then that wraparound still works just fine. The other change we've made is with the center support legs that we make to match these wrap legs. We've altered the depth of the holes, and we'll send you longer screws so that you can securely attach to this Kallax unit. Okay, I've got my unit flipped upside down on my dining room table, but before we put one of these legs on, I just wanted to point out, in case you've never put one of these Kallax units together, the panels only have solid wood at the last 1.5 inches of the panel, and that's why we're going to orient these legs this way. That's going to allow us to hit solid wood at both hole locations. Typically on a piece of furniture we would normally install the leg this way, but not only would we only hit solid wood on one hole, this is going to be hollow out here, but we're also fighting with this gap since the panels don't install flush one to another. So we're going to flip it around this way, and we're going to get a nice strong connection with both screw locations. Okay, so we can use the screws that come with the wrap legs. We are going to want to drill a 3/32 hole at each screw location. Now, we want to make sure that this leg stays tied up against the face of the unit itself. And so to do that, I'm actually going to cheat the hole that I'm going to drill towards the inside of the unit. This hole here is a little oversized for the screw, and so I'm going to put the drill bit towards that side of the hole when I drill. That way when I put the screw in, if anything, it's going to suck the leg tighter into the face. Okay, with all 4 legs installed, the Kallax unit actually comes with a bunch of these little stick-on felt pads, and they just happen to be the perfect size to stick on the bottom of your wrap legs. Okay, we've got all 4 legs installed, and for really light duty use, this might be okay to leave as is. But what you want to keep in mind is these panels are hollow. They're not designed to take a lot of weight, and they are now not resting on the floor, so it's going to want to sag in the middle with any kind of weight applied to it. So what you're going to want to do is get one of our center support legs, which do match our wrap legs. And on this 4-wide unit, I'm just going to put one right underneath the center panel, all the way to the center of the unit, so you don't see it too much. If you're going to get one of the bigger units, maybe the 6-wide unit, I would recommend at least 2 or maybe even 1 underneath each vertical panel. So let's install one of those. Now the center support leg you're going to receive specifically with the Kallax leg kit is going to be modified. It's not going to be the exact same as our normal center support leg. The holes are going to be drilled out deeper, and you're going to receive longer screws, which are going to allow you to go all the way through that bottom and into that center panel. So let's install those now. So to install the center leg, we can lay the unit on its back and simply measure from the side to the middle of the center panel. This bottom panel is hollow, so we need the screw to go all the way through the bottom and into this solid center panel. So I simply measured from the end that same distance and marked my hole locations. You can use the leg itself, poke your screws through there and mark your hole spacing, and then we're going to drill all the way through that bottom panel and into that center panel. It's handy to have the unit on its back because as you're drilling, you can be looking at this center panel and keep your drill bit in line with it so that you don't poke out one way or another. So that's going to be handy. So let's drill those now. So that's the entire installation process. I think these wrap legs look really good on the Kallax unit. We're going to make these sets available in pre-finished white oak, walnut, mahogany, and maple. We'll have sets of 4 plus center support legs. You'll need to decide how many support legs you think your specific unit needs. I'm going to suggest anything 4 compartments or wider. You definitely need to have at least 1 center support leg on these. But we'll have these sets available on the website, 1600design.com, and I hope you guys check them out.